Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. I'm bringing to you some items that I ordered for my Mother's Day gift baskets. And I ordered this from Shein, S-H-E-I-N. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. But anyway, let's get going and look at some of the items I purchased. Okay, now this is a beautiful little sleep set. It's the shorts and the little tank top. Okay, and have the little ruffle down at the hem. These are really cute. And the prices are really good, guys. You just have to be aware that the shipping delays are really serious. So you have to order at least 30 days in advance. And sometimes it can be delayed longer than that. So I placed the order for these a while back just to make sure I got them in time. Okay, guys, and that little sleep set is $5.14. Okay, now let's go to the other here. Now, this is called a night dress. This is called a night dress, guys, and this one was $5.43. It's a beautiful little I'll call it oversized t-shirt, but it says "Let me sleep." I think that is so cute with the little eyelashes on it too. That's really, really pretty. All right, let's see what else we got here. And this was $5.43, guys. So it's a really, really good price. And I got my pajamas in assorted sizes, so I could kind of meet the needs of my shoppers. I got two of those little night dresses. So let's see, what is this here? I'm going through my lengthy receipt here. Okay. Now this here is also a little sleep dress. Just spaghetti straps on it. They're adjustable. The hem is really nice too. The little ruffled hem. So that's really pretty. And I noticed when I got the order, I said all I ordered was pinks and blacks. I don't know why I ordered so many pinks. Okay, and this little cami sleep shirt is $4.48. So that was a good deal on that. And let's see, this one here is a PJ set. I got this one in a plus size. Okay, this is pretty. Pink with the red hearts. Okay, I think Mom will be happy to get something like this. All right, all right. This is pretty. Now, this one I decided to keep for myself. I've been doing a lot of that too. This is a little cami PJ set. And this is really pretty. It's like a dusty rose color. And it's the little pants. And it has that pretty little ruffle hem that I've been talking about on the other items. It has a little nice bow at the waist. Elastic. It's really, really comfortable. And this is the top that goes with it. It has adjustable straps and that same little ruffle hem. And it has the little lace detail in the front. So I thought that was just really pretty. And let's see how much this set costs $6.77. So that wasn't bad either. All right, let me put this back up and let's go to the next one. And Shein, if I'm pronouncing it right, has some really, really good prices. The quality is excellent. The quality is really, really nice on these clothes. Okay, this here is a PJ short set. This one is pretty too. This is the little crowns. See the little shorts? And then you have the nice little shirt, and all the material is so soft. The stitching is really nice. And then it even has the little mask, the little sleep mask that goes with it for your eyes. Okay. So this set here was $5.43. They have a lot of good coupons too, guys, that you can use. I'll put a link. I'm not affiliated with them. So I don't get anything, you know, if you were to click the link. And it's a t-shirt and pants set. And it also has the little eye cover on this one too. So this is a cute little color here. Let's see what color they have. Apricot is the color they have on here. So this is the shirt. It's really cute. Really, really soft. And I prefer in my pajamas to wear extra large because I like a lot of room. I don't like any restrictions when I'm sleeping. And these are the pants. They're really cute. So what I'm going to do with these items, I'm going to make up some gift baskets with them. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to buy... I have house shoes, but I don't have enough house shoes for all of these items. So what I might do is add something different to the basket with pajamas. I'll put something in place of the house shoes if I don't order anymore. Okay, and that set, if I didn't say, it was $10.73. Okay, so here's the next one set, and this was $5.47. So here's the little top, the little eyelashes, and the little heart. And with these, I ordered some MAC eyelashes from AliExpress. So I might put some eyelashes in with this gift, since they have the eyelashes on the shorts and the top. I like that little bow at the waist too. I might put some eyelashes in with this one and some other items. Okay, and that little set was $5.47. Okay, so here's another one, and I have some more orders coming, guys. This is just what has come from Shein so far, but I have some more items coming too. No more PJs. I got enough PJs. All right, this is really nice here. This is a heart print pajama set. And it's $9.88. These are the pajama bottoms here. They're really nice. I might keep this for myself too. My husband got on me the other day because I ordered a lot of jewelry from AliExpress. And I think I kept 5 watches, guys. I mean, I kept 5 of them. It's like, wait, I'm not going to make any profit if I keep everything. But the prices were so nice. But I think I'm going to keep this black set too. And it was $9.88. Okay, let's see here. This is heart print t-shirt and short pajama set. All right. I know you guys see I got a lot of pink. These are some more pink and red. These will be pretty for Valentine's Day too. So when Valentine's Day rolls around next year, I'll be ordering from them again. Let's see, it was something else I wanted to show you guys. I'm back here in my office and I have stuff everywhere. I'm a neat freak, so it's been really hard for me keeping my space neat. with all these orders coming in and trying to do baskets and all that stuff at the same time. I'm like, oh my God. Okay, these are some of the house shoes that I got. And these came from AliExpress. Okay, these came in a separate order. So these are some black ones. I have a lot of these black ones. Okay. And for some reason, I got these bright yellow. I got these bright yellow house shoes. And for some reason, just failed to order anything to go with them. So I'm going to have to find something, some kind of yellow little pajama set or something, or a robe or something to go with these. They had a really good price on them. I think I got them in every color, but I always get a lot of black because they will go with pretty much anything. And then these lime green ones. So I got to find something to go with those too, guys. Okay, let's see. Was there anything else I wanted to share with you guys before I go? Oh, I know something else I wanted to show you guys. Hold on, guys. I got some purses that came in. Hold on, let me get over here in my little junk pile here and move this stuff over. Okay, guys. I moved this stuff over. Now, these came from AliExpress as well. And I think that Shein has the same, I know I've seen this on several of those websites that you order from overseas. This purse was everywhere. So you'll see this on AliExpress. You'll see it on Shein. What was the other store? There was another Chinese store. Hopefully I can think of it before I get off, and that way you'll all be able to look at the websites. See, AliExpress, Shein. What was the other? I can't think of it. But if I remember it, I will put it in one of my videos. So all I did, guys, was just put some stuffing inside here so it can keep its shape. And don't be surprised when you get these purses and stuff from China, because what they do is they don't use boxes. They don't use boxes for anything. Whatever they ship is coming in a plastic bag. So beware that when you get these items, a lot of these bags are going to be crushed and bent. What they do is they put in here one of these, and these pop. So I think this was the only one that had a little bubble that was intact. The rest of them had already burst. And they'll put 50 items in one plastic bag. I mean, it's just ridiculous. Because a lot of the stuff that you get comes damaged. But they are very, very inexpensive. I think I probably paid $5 a piece for these. And they're all crossbodies, guys. And you know, crossbody is in. And I noticed too, guys, that the size of these little crossbodies are really small. It's just enough to get your cell phone in, your wallet, maybe a lip gloss, and your keys. And that's about it. You know, the big purses are really going out of style now. They're looking at convenience. And with these crossbodies, I feel safer shopping and going places with a crossbody. It's just more secure because you got your purse and your contents pretty much right on your side or right in front of you. I think this purse here may have been one of the most expensive ones, and it may have been $8 for this one. Okay. Now this here, this metallic one, this one is really pretty too. I put some paper in it too. But the inside is nice. This is the back. Another thing you can do with purses like this, you can get a towel, like a hand towel or some washcloths, and just put them in the dryer and take them out, you know, with a little heat on them, and put them down in your bags, because like I said, they're going to come smashed and looking just god awful. But once you heat them in the dryer, put the towels inside the purse, and they will, you know, the dents and wrinkles and stuff will come out. Okay, so you can do that. Comment, subscribe. See you next time.